India's way forward.
What is the India way?
India is unstoppable. It will keep going ahead.
दोस्तों, एक विकसित भारत देश बनाने के लिए हमें अपनी संस्कृति को बढ़ावा देना होगा, क्योंकि यही सच्ची देशभक्ति है। इसलिए हर भारतीय को अपनी राय साझा करते रहना चाहिए और निरंतर चर्चा में शामिल रहना चाहिए। इसे एक धर्म मानकर चलना चाहिए। चलिए, बिना देरी किए आपको वीडियो में ले चलते हैं। सीताराम।
Biggest challenge is mental illness.
Gurudev, I would like to start with the recently concluded Viksit Bharat campaign, which was held in collaboration with your foundation in Kashi. आपने बहुत अच्छी बातें की, but there was this specific focus on the women empowerment, or in fact, I remember आपने कहा था कि if women are given the most challenging task, they have the ability to finish it even before 10 years. So, what's this unflinching faith in the women of India? Where does this come from? Your thoughts?
You know, from our mythology, if you see, all the important portfolios are all given to women. The Defense Ministry, Durga,
yes.
Education Ministry, Saraswati, Human Resource, and then Finance Ministry,
Lakshmi जी.
Lakshmi. तो इस तरह से देखेंगे तो हम इस देश में पहले श्रीमती और श्री लिखते हैं. We don't write Mr. and Mrs. We write first
Mrs.
women
and
come, Mrs. and Mr. Srimati and Shri. So women are already empowered in this country. If you see Devi Puran, Devi Bhagavad, and all that, it said the Mother Divine is the supreme. You know, so on the earth also we call Mother Earth. Mother India we call. No other nation calls their nation as mother. So we have ingrained this principle of women empowerment from millions of years.
This is our heritage, part of
It's
our
a
legacy.
part of our heritage, yeah.
And in governance also we have seen this. So, Gurudev, you've talking about this only, you've traveled so much. I don't think there is any country left jahan aap nahi gaye ho. So this women in decision making processes, women in governance, you think India has actually set the tone for that, from having the first woman president and so on?
Yeah, we have got several states of this country have been ruled by women, and centrally it's been ruled by women. And not only that, the recent bill that has been passed in the parliament,
Reservation.
empowering women with 33% reservation, is a game changer, you know. And this is percolating to the village level. If
Okay.
you see in the village panchayats, never before there were so many women as today. Panchayat heads are women, and men are supporting that. This is also even more interesting. A woman may not be very highly educated, but men says, no, my wife is going to fight for the panchayat election, and they have been successful. And you know, women by their nature, which is very they are sensitive and keenness in observation and quick in action, will take country forward very far.
And they are taking country forward.
I mean, the platform is open now. Yeah, they will. I think when opportunity is given, and what we see in all the from the panchayat levels and jilla levels, the way they are active and doing their best is a big encouragement for everybody else.
Absolutely, absolutely. Gurudev, from women moving on to Brand Bharat, and talking about Brand Bharat, our legacy, our soft power outreach like yoga. By the way, we're just few days, we will be celebrating International Yoga Day. Also, India coming up very strongly in the last one decade as a spiritual hub of the world. Since I spoke about yoga last year, of course, we created history when it was actually observed in the front lawns of United Nations. I'm talking about Yoga Day. So, इस दशा में भारत किस दिशा की ओर जा रहा है? Brand India.
See, yoga has been popular around the world. I mean, there are hundreds and thousands of yoga teachers around the world who have been breaking the ice and reaching out to people, facing all type of humiliation. I'm talking about 40 years back when yoga was started, and it was not an easy task because people would always connect that with some Baba standing in the Allahabad with all the ashes, and it's not for mainstream Western people. This was the opinion that people had before. But today, that has changed, especially in the past decade, when International Yoga Day has been recognized with the initiatives of Indian government by the United Nations. Yoga has gained its
We
due
brought
place.
we absolutely Gurudev, and the way we brought the whole world under one roof, and it was India and India's leadership, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, helming that event. It was such a unprecedented. And after that, your thoughts on the spirituality part of it, like the world, the West is looking up to India in that space.
Yeah, see, as I said, if spirituality and yoga were quite popular in the world, but India never owned it.
That's the difference.
People were very fond of meditation, yoga, and Indian philosophy, but India, it was like, oh, keep away, because we are secular, we have nothing to do with anything yoga. When जब राजाश्रय नहीं मिलता है किसी ज्ञान को, विद्या को, वो पलप नहीं सकता. When
जी.
there is no support, means encouragement from the government, from the administration, then it doesn't percolate down the line. Now, since yoga has been made part of the school curriculum
Yeah,
and
yeah, yes.
college, and so what's happening, and it's creating an awareness about health. People are now understanding what it is to have a healthy lifestyle and do yoga, meditation,
The
and,
art of living.
and the food, for example, nutritious food is another area which was never been so attended or even considered serious in this country. But today, a lot of talk about it. People are, becoming more healthy in their habits.
सो आपको क्या लगता है गुरुदेव, आपके विचार इस पे जानना चाहेंगे. पिछले 10 साल में एक तरीके का कल्चरल रेनेसॉ, एक तरीके का कल्चरल रिजुविनेशन भारत ने देखा है या दुनिया ने भारत में देखा है.
हाँ, भारत में जिस बात को लेके हम लोग संकोच करते थे, शर्मिंदा होते थे, मंदिर जाके टीका लगाते थे, बाहर आके पहुंच के दफ्तर जाते थे, और लोग हम कहते थे कि इसमें एक प्राइड होता था, हम पूजा वूजा पाठ में नहीं जाएंगे, हम कोई मंदिर नहीं जाते, इसको गर्व के साथ कहते थे लोग. एक ऐसी कल्चर बन चुकी थी. मगर अब जब से प्रधानमंत्री जी ने खुद इस बात को बाहर लेके आए, ये देखो हम जा रहे हैं मंदिर, तुम क्यों इसमें शर्मिंदा होने की क्या बात.
ये हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारा कल्चर.
स्ट्रेंथ है. और देश विदेश के सारे लोग पहले आते थे तो सिर्फ ताजमहल देख के चले जाते थे, अब बनारस जाना चाहते हैं,
काशी विश्वनाथ,
काशी जाते हैं, काशी गंगा आरती देखना चाहते हैं लोग. एक भारतीय संस्कृति को जब तक हम अपने लोग नहीं मानते हैं, उसका महत्व नहीं समझते, इसके बारे में शर्मिंदा होते हैं, तो हम कमज़ोर रह जाते हैं.
अयोध्या, अपने काशी विश्वनाथ, अयोध्या. आगे बढ़ते हुए गुरुदेव, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की भी बात थोड़ी सी करेंगे. यू हैव spearheaded some unprecedented conflict resolution movements across the world. And if we look at the current times where we are living in, the world is vertically divided. एक post Cold War era है, Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine. Gurudev, what according to you is the new template of solution or resolution if you look at these current contemporary world conflicts?
Dialogue is the only way. unless people sit across the table, understand each other, getting into each other's shoe, there can't be peace. For this, India can play a very, very important
that was
role,
my
and
next question, yes.
it is doing in some way, because it's a positive energy that promotes, dialogue. And if a person who is initiating, the mediator or the mediating force, has more positive outlook, a broad outlook towards life, like our country has, then it can make a big difference in the world.
So India is part of the solution. India is showing the way.
India is, of course, see the way India has stirred itself, not falling into one trap or
Yes,
the
yes,
other,
yes, yes.
and being in the middle.
Yes,
That
neutrality.
is-
But Gurudev, India's neutrality on certain situations has also been questioned, where India has said that we are taking our side, but we are by peace. We stand by peace.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we have done extremely well in this situation between Russia and Ukraine conflict. We did not just go into one-sided, which we were pushed to. Usually, in this conflict, when there is a bipolar world, they try to push you over to either of the sides. So India here has very well managed to stay neutral and make our own economy strong. You know, when every other economy is collapsing, we are growing. This credit nobody can take away from the current government and Prime Minister's initiative.
What do you think have been the driving forces since you're talking about it?
You know, a broader vision. We have always held up to the vision of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And we have cared for our country, our country's economy, country's well-being. All this, I think, has made an impact. Today, we are considered, we are respected by both Russia and Ukraine.
And the other
We are
part of
on
the
the other
world.
side.
Yeah.
Also, we have been respected by Palestine as well as Israel. So, we have to maintain this, and we have done it very well in this. Yeah.
So यहाँ पे भारत विश्व गुरु, यहाँ पे ये इसकी बात हम करें. India showing the way, आपने कहा, India is part of the solution. But going forward, this whole template of Bharat Vishwa Guru.
ये भारत विश्व गुरु तो था ही और रहेगा. हमें पहले पहचानना पड़ेगा.
क्या हमारी एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं थी पहले?
नहीं, हम बीच में क्या कुछ समय हम लोगों ने अपना मूल को हमने सम्मान नहीं दिया, मान नहीं दिया. हमारा रूट्स जो है, हमारा कल्चरल स्पिरिचुअल हेरिटेज जो है, इसको हमने पछाड़ दिया था.
कई सालों तक?
हाँ, कई डिकेड्स तक.
कई सरकारें आई गई,
हाँ,
लेकिन
हाँ,
हम
एक
लोग
गई.
भूल गए कि हम कौन हैं.
हाँ, भूल गए और चुप चुप के करते थे जो भी करना हो. खुल के नहीं आते थे. हम लोगों को ये गर्व होता था, हमारा बेटा टाई सूट पहन के जा रहा है, तब ये कुछ बनेगा.
इंग्लिश स्पीक.
अंग्रेज बोलेगा तो कुछ बनता है. वो माने ये सिविलाइज्ड है. अपनी भाषा बोलता है कोई, तमिल और मलयालम बोलता है कि कन्नड़ बोलता है, तो अरे ये तो गंवार है, माने अनसिविलाइज्ड है. इस तरह का ये मेंटालिटी बन चुकी थी. अब देखिए, जब तक हम अपनी भाषा पर, अपना देश पर, संस्कृति पर, अपना रहन सहन पर, भोजन पर गर्व नहीं करते, हम कैसे आगे कैसे बढ़ पाएंगे.
गुरुदेव, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आपका पूरे विश्व के लिए और खास तौर पर हमारे जो दर्शक हैं, डीडी इंडिया के दर्शक जो ये कार्यक्रम देश विदेश से देख रहे हैं, और अपने डीडी न्यूज़ के दर्शक, दूरदर्शन के पूरे नेटवर्क के दर्शक, उनको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
प्रसन्न रहिए. आप बड़े एंशिएंट हो, यू आर वेरी एंशिएंट, और यू आर एवर न्यू ऑल्सो. अपने आप को संभाल, अपने मन को संभालें, और आप इस दुनिया में हैं कुछ करने के लिए. इस बात को मन में रखें और आगे बढ़ते जाएं.
और इंडियाज़ वे फॉरवर्ड?
India's way forward,
व्हाट इज द इंडिया वे?
India is unstoppable. It will keep going ahead and be part of it. Be part of the positive challenges and the progress that you need to go through.